Ransto naman kami. Christ the King. Naalala ko lang yung volleyball days ah. Ang daming snow dito nun. Winter.
Flashback.
Ang tawag dito?
Dito yung napakadami pa namin na late ano.
Kung dito tayong kung dito tayo nakakuha ng bahay, dito school mo. Dito dapat kami makakakuha sa Cramond. Cramond. May badminton game muli si Kuya. Si Mami, iwan. Kami lang tatlo. Straight kami galing sa St. Isabela. Mixed doubles. Kada mag-video ko, bulok si Kuya.
My water? I'll hold that.
Yeah, that's nice man. Good point. 1 point for Kuya. And his team.
His team 8.
Hmm?
His teammate. Trios. Or
Yes, it's another. Aray ko, tulog.
I think
Another
mom is there.
point.
It's Blink.
Yeah, my mom is there already.
It's like 10 or something.
That's good. Another point for them. Bakit ba? Anong nangyayari sa
You have it! Because
Wow! They won! They won sa first game nila. Yay!
Yeah, first game
Mixed doubles.
first game after 40 minutes.
After waiting for 40 minutes. 40 minutes of him not playing.
Yeah.
Yun, finally, after 1 hour, second game ni Kuya. Mixed doubles ulit.
Only 2 games. The entire time.
I don't know kung meron pa isa or uwi na, no?
Yeah, because it's 5 already. So it's probably only 2 games for Kuya.
Yay. Nice
So
one.
strong.
That's outside. Okay, mananalo si Kuya. Mananalo sila, team nila. Daig si Johan, marunong na manahi si Kuya.
Oh, how am I supposed to learn that?
Ayos din dito. Parang nung high school kami ganun din eh. Meron kaming TLE eh, meron kaming cooking, meron nga din kami electronics eh. Kaso hindi ako natuto. Kasi isang grading lang, napakaiksi. Parang ganyan din nga. Isang quarter.
I like this
So
thing,
last
right?
time ay ano sila, woodworking, di ba?
Yeah.
Woodworks. Ngayon naman ay pananahi sila. Ayan. Pakita mo naman yung produkto mo. Well, may
Let the stingray see them. Let the stingray see them.
Ito si Johan, kanya na lang daw eh. Bigay na ni Kuya sa kanya. Oh.
Yeah.
Anong grade mo nakuha? Kuya?
96%.
Yun, naka 96 daw siya doon sa stingray. Oh, pero ako pala natuto din ako dati mag cross stitch. Nag cross stitch din kami ng isang Hindi, oo. Pero I mean, nag-iiba-iba nga din ng ganyan sa amin. Sa TLE yata yan.
I mean cooking.
Next time is cooking
food.
naman.
Tapos
Sila.
sakto nga lang cooking natin.
Meron din kaming cooking nun. Nag-cooking din kami nun. Para din sa atin. Ganon din yung TLE.
For this one, you have to start at grade 8. This is the entry level.
Ganon din kami nun. Parang
I know you
yung
have to
first
pay
year
to
tsaka
make one.
second year high
No.
school may ganyan.
Sa grade 9, you can make whatever you want.
Anong make?
Like, make whatever you want. You can make a stuffed toy, a pillow.
So may ganyan pa rin kayo sa grade 9?
Yeah.
Oh.
Grade 10.
Ano na yung mga nakuha mong ganyan? na iba-ibang klase? Simula na nag-start ka mag-high school.
Ngayon lang ako nag-start ng ganito.
O grade 8 lang ba
Grade 8
nagsisimula
lang.
yan? Ang grade 7 wala pa.
Wala. Kasi instead of CTF, they have French.
Oh.
We don't have French anymore.
So dito lang sa school na to ikaw nag-start na kung ganyan-ganyan.
Si Kuya
So-
Val, sa St. Stephen.
Oo.
Diba
So,
grade 8 yun?
oo. So ang sa'yo, ibig sabihin niya is woodwork
Grade
tapos
9.
yan. Tahe,
Tsaka
tapos cooking.
Kuya Carl's grade
Dapat
9.
nga cooking ang start namin eh. Eh sabi niya hindi daw eh.
Bale.
Tapos kasabay
Marami
ko,
ka namang sports na ano.
kasabay ko mawawala yung teacher.
Alis din? Sa ganyan?
Pupunta sa Korea tsaka sa Japan.
Oh, wow. So nga pala, last day na sila ngayon. Thursday, wala silang pasok bukas. Pero meron uli kaming parent-teacher conference. So, nag-book yata ulit si mami ng ilang teacher na...
Isa lang sa akin.
Isa lang sa'yo? Ay di, sa advisor lang. So, 2 teacher lang. Nakakausapin namin mamaya, sandali lang yon. Sasaglitin na lang namin sa school. Ganon kasi dito eh. So,
Oh,
pag
Johan.
maglalabas sila ng schedule ng mga teachers, kailangan kung gusto mo makausap yung mga teachers, ibubook mo online. And then, yun, pupunta ka lang sa room nila, nakaabang na sila doon, para, yun, pag-usapan. Parang ano din sa atin, parang yung parents and teachers conference. So, ang tawag ng mga karamihan lalo ng mga magulang, kuhanan ng card. Kuhanan ng card.
Hindi, well, amin last lang yun.
Ayun yung tawag sa amin kasi every grading sa atin, dahil may 4 na grading period, every grading sa Pilipinas ay pupunta yung magulang. Tapos dati, kinukuha talaga nila yung card, yung Form 138, para lang basahin at pirmahan. Pero lately, inaano na lang
Online
siya. Hindi rin online. Pinapakita lang. Or Xerox copy. Xerox copy na lang ng teacher, yun yung binibigay sa magulang.
The next day.
We're just doing ET daughter, and he did a beautiful job.
Students?
Yeah.
That's nice. He loves painting.
Yeah. Did you find your clover out there? Yeah.
He showed us. He said he used a lot of water.
Yeah.
Like the first time he painted at home, he said, "Oh, mommy, I did."
I know. I think a lot of them was the first time using the water color paint. Yeah. So it took a little bit of practice, but he did a really nice job. And he did an incredible job on his math. Yeah, 100% on his addition and subtraction. And almost 100%.
Wow.
Yeah, on
Confused?
the algebra, for the pre-algebra, so very good. And I challenged them a little bit with the algebra with the 3-digit equations. But yeah, has a very, very good understanding of both, so that's amazing. Yeah, and still very actively involved in all the classroom discussions and just contributing
That's nice
in
to
very
hear.
meaningful ways, which is very, very nice. And you want to show them all your story planning? So we're doing our big story that they're going to be doing in grade 3. We do a lot of writing every weekly in the writing journal. We've been learning a lot about all the elements of stories, like the theme, the characters, setting. One thing I really wanted them to focus on though is they all know that there's a problem and solution, but the problems can result in like a series of events happening. So we looked at a bad case of the stripes. It's a really, really fun book. And they had to tell me all the events that happened in the correct order. He's done his rough draft. He'll go through, read it back to himself, and then do the editing. Then I will go through and edit it and check, and then he'll write his final copy. And then we're gonna make these into books. So they've created cover art.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. They're gonna be
You're a
very
writer
nice.
now.
Yeah, look at that, I know. I think with him, he's still getting distracted really, really easily. So there are a lot of reminders to kind of stay on task and not talk when he should be writing and things like that. So we're definitely still working on that. Because he has the ability to be writing a lot more. He has really, really brilliant ideas. So it'd be nice to get those on paper a little bit more. But yeah.
Yeah, that's why he's so nervous right now.
Yeah.
Because I told him I don't want to hear the same comments I had last time, and I want to know.
Yeah.
That's why we booked again.
Yeah.
And he said, I cannot answer that. You can just ask Miss Harris.
Yeah.
Because he always tell us that his friends keep on talking to him, but he can't refuse to answer them
Yeah.
back. So I told him it's better for you to tell Miss Harris they keep on
Yeah.
disturbing me. I want to focus so that she knows.
For sure.
Yeah, right?
Yeah.
And
And
she can help.
I say that to, like, if somebody's talking to you, I want to know that for sure,
Yeah.
right? But yeah, lots of reminders still, especially with group 2 in general. I think they're just
So that's
chatting
why
a lot. Yeah, just come and
you'll
let
get
me
it.
know. And let me know what I can do to help you too. Like if you can actually come over here and work if that helps too. If you're gonna stay focused, we can find another place for you to work. But yeah, because you do have very, very good ideas, right? Very, very smart, and I would love to see more of it on paper.
It's just so chatty, right?
Yeah.
Even
But that's
at
good.
home.
But that's like, yeah. I mean, there's nothing wrong with being chatty. There's a time and place, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, he did a really good job too.
You're
So
doing a good job, baby.
yeah. Oh, he's doing amazing. Yeah. Natural events in Alberta. So we learned about all those. So we learned about the flood. What else? You can tell Mom and Dad what you learned about.
The wildfire
Yeah. Do you remember where it was?
in your home.
In my hometown. Yeah, Fort McMurray.
He kept on telling that. He
Yeah.
shared that one with us. Last
Yeah.
time he said, aside from Jasper wildfire,
Yeah.
he said that he mentioned that it happened to your hometown.
Yeah, that was a wild one. They got 80,000 people out, and there was only
That's
one
sad to
road
hear.
in and one road. Like,
Oh.
yeah. Yeah.
Thank you,
Oh,
Miss
yeah.
Harris.
Thank you, Miss Harris.
It's good to enjoy. Do you have another interview? Or
No, we're done.
Yeah. Long weekend.
Good night.
Si mami sa studies.
Yan, dumating na nga pala yung package na inaantay ni Mami. Ito yung in-order niyang... Ano ba tawag sa gayan, Mami?
Freezer?
Hindi. Dito kasi namin lalagay yan. Ay, console. Dito namin lalagay yan, sa empty spot na to.